Hi everyone, my name is Elina and you are watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 29. Today we are going to learn how to make a garment to fit our avatar. And for this topic we're going to use two types of tools. One of them in 2D pattern window, and its name is auto fitting. The other one in 3D window is fitting suit. Has two names? No, because two of them are for the same purpose, and always it's for make a garment to fit our avatar. Maybe the garment is bigger, smaller, or maybe avatar is something customized in another software, and now we are going to make this our outfit to fit the avatar. So what we should do, in my first example I imported my bronze award winner of closet contest for Genie launcher, that it was for school uniform. As you see, the avatar is different. The Genie avatar is different than the Marvelous Designer avatar. So I delete this one and I bring Camilla. As you see, this doesn't fit. So what should I do? First thing that you should know is that your particle distance should be on 20. The second thing that you should know is that your avatar, it should have human characteristics. It should have 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 head. It should be normal. It shouldn't be a creature with 6 hands or something. So now what I should do is to just click on auto fitting. If I'm going to check these two, I can check them. And okay, it takes a while because it needs to process. Okay, after the process is done, you should know that in this particular outfit that I made, the hood is looser than normal. Also, the arm side and sleeves are bigger than usual because it was a loose, baggy outfit for school. And that's why if you see it, don't think that this tool doesn't work properly. It's just the fact that my garment is looser than normal. As you see, it takes time and it is normal. And yes, as I told you, it's bigger. I made it bigger. Okay, if I simulate it, and yes, as you see, it works like this. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how the same tool in 3D window works. In this example, I'm going to import a simple avatar from Daz Studio. I'm not going to check this one out to create fitting suit because I'm going to teach you another thing that does the same option. If you check this, it's going to be easier to fit your garment. So I press OK. And there it comes. Okay, and I choose a t-shirt that I think made it for a male character avatar. So now what should I do? First, I should increase particle distance. Okay, now if you see, if I'm going to use this auto-fitting feature, it says that it's not registered. What does it mean? If while importing this one, import this avatar, I would have checked this auto-fitting, it wouldn't tell me this. It wouldn't give me this error. See, now increase this and auto fit. Now it doesn't give me this error because I already made the auto fitting. I checked it and everything is correct. So what I'm going to tell you, oh my god, I'm going to tell you to have patience, is that import FBX, uncheck this one, I bring the avatar particle distance to 20. How many times I did this? Okay. If your avatar is not registered, it means that Marvel's designer cannot see where the neck is, where the waist is. You should create fitting suit. It works like this, that first this symmetry should be checked. Now, as you see, we have some parts of the body that they are important for fitting a garment. Upper neck, also in this case, you can see where they are located. So lower neck, waist, wrist, elbow, shoulder, upper thigh, knee and ankle. So let's, why it's fitted? Okay, let me see. What is it doing? Ah, it's for the garment. Okay, maybe I should have done something else. Import FBX. I'm going to uncheck also this. Now let's see. Create fitting suit. Now we are talking. So if you have an unregistered avatar and now we are going to register it to tell our software, Marvel's Designer, that where upper neck is, where lower neck is. So what we should do is to, when this one is yellow, it means that you should locate, you should say where your upper neck is. And for saying it, for showing it, you need 3 points. If you're not okay with this position, what you should do is to right click, left, right, yeah, and delete. So now this one is yellow, so I should show the lower neck. Okay. I'm not that much satisfied. Here I'm more satisfied. Okay, now the waist. Waist is where the body gets as narrow as possible. Now wrist is based on other avatars that I saw, it's here, but for me it's here. Now elbow, I always thought it should be here, but I think it should be here. Now shoulders or arm side, I start from this part, armpit. It should be straight like this. The most prominent part here. Okay, now upper thigh. It should be like. One thing that I forgot to tell you is that you should assign these body parts in the left part. And now the knees. Yup. And ankle. Yeah, or it should be here. Okay. After you finish doing it, if you're okay, you apply it and something like a bodysuit will appear. Let me see if I delete this one. I deleted. I'm sorry, I did this mistake. As you see, since I did everything on the left, also here, if you see it's L, it means that you should be on the left side. Now I did it here. As you see, it's getting confused. So since I didn't use my glasses, I was about to change my waist. Also upper thigh. I'm going to bring it like this. Let's see how it will be. Now, as you see, it's like a diving suit. After you apply it, you should save it. So it's finished. Now I'm going to do this avatar. Now in female, I have this registered avatar that every garment can be fitted for it. I choose, I don't know, this pair of pants. I don't understand why they are. Okay. Now here I click on Retarget Draping. And that's it. That's it. It's finished. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.